Hey, what's up everyone? It's your girl Oishwarya and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today's video is going to be about the perks of being a single child. Now, I myself am not a single child and I have an elder sister. And I know just how much of a pain having a sibling can be. So, I feel like I'm totally qualified to talk about the perks of being a single child. Before I get to the video, I would like to remind you that make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so you are the first one to get notified every time I upload a new video. Because I make new videos twice every week. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. No competition at home. Now we all know that parents are often susceptible to comparing their kids to other kids. As if it wasn't enough having a genius cousin among the relatives, that your sibling came into existence to make things even worse than it already was. And then the situation gets even more worse because now you don't have to just fight with the rest of the world but also with your sibling. Whereas on the other hand, the single child is usually valued more as they are the only one to fulfill the family dreams and aspirations. So, the single child doesn't have to listen to stuff like, your brother or sister is such a nice person. Why don't you learn something from him or her? Number 2. Extra attention. Do you magically find your mom around when you have just sneezed once or twice in a row? Or do you find your dad bringing you home gifts that you would love without even asking for it? Well then, congratulations, because it's pretty clear that you don't have a sibling. It is very natural for parents having a single child to behave in this way. Let's take an example. Now, suppose you are dating 2 or more people simultaneously. Would you ever be able to decide who you prefer more? And even if you decide who you prefer more, would you ever be able to confess about that preferable person to the other non-preferable ones? No, right? Guessed so. Now, suppose you are dating only one person at a time. This time, you wouldn't have to choose one among the others. And neither you have to worry about confessing something. Similarly, parents having 2 or more kids are often living in a state of dilemma. They can't really decide who to love more and who to not. But parents with single child are completely oblivious to these problems and shower their kid with all the love and attention they can. Number 3. Privacy at home. Single child watching this video right now must be thinking, why did she make a point out of this? It's very natural that home is the most private place for everyone. Well, then you are wrong, honey, because you are among the privileged ones. For kids having siblings, there's no such thing called privacy at home because everything they do is known to everyone else and there is zero secrecy. Once you let your sibling know about something really confidential about your life, you do it at your own risk, aware of the fact that this hush-hush topic can get public anytime. When, in contrast to this situation, a single child has no one to talk about secrets with. And the best thing about that is, no one can spill their secrets. And so, their secrets remain private only. Number 4. No need to share. Sharing is definitely a very kind gesture to let someone know that you care for them. But sharing with siblings is often imposed on by the parents. And as we all know, that no one likes to be imposed with anything or by anyone. But free will is exercised by only the privileged ones. Or in other words, the single child. For the ones having siblings, sharing is a must, even when they don't want to. Be it a room, clothes, food, or anything else. So I'm guessing that Joey Tribbiani from Friends screamed out to his friends, Joey doesn't share food! To his friends because maybe he was tired of sharing his food among his siblings at his home. And this theory only makes sense. But the single child is free from all of these nonsensical rules and regulations. Everything they own is theirs alone. And I think that's the most beautiful feeling that I will never experience. Number 5. Parents are your BFFs. The single child is usually used to staying around alone among adults since their childhoods, and hence are not afraid to talk their hearts out to their parents. This encourages the parents to think that they are not just the parents but also the BFFs of the child. And this often leads to the single child growing up much faster mentally and emotionally than the one having a sibling. Be it introducing your parents to your lover or seeking support from them after breakup. They are always by your side no matter what. Anyway, my intention was not to make anyone feel bad about themselves. Hope you take the jokes as jokes only and not think much seriously about it. If you are a single child, then comment down below about your own experience. Also, let me know if you relate to this video and how much you do, or if you think I missed some of the parts. And if you have a sibling or a number of siblings and could relate to the harsh truths that I shared about us and want me to make a video about us, then comment down below. Hope you all liked this video, and if you did, then please leave a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, then please do it right now. What are you doing? Because it's free and I make new videos twice every week. So go on, subscribe and hit the bell icon beside it, so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you everyone, love you, take care and bye bye.